I bought this car in '95 as a wreck, and I spent 5 years restoring it. It was finished in 2000, and in the last 19 years, it has won lots of trophies and prizes along the way. But one of my greatest thrills is People's Day. It's the car that people likes to take home, and I win that every time, and that means more to me, I think, than any tin cup along the way. There's a lot of work in preparing a car for a concours, and I started on this car 4 weeks ago, and I've been working on it for 2 or 3 hours every day since, and I just got over the line here on Thursday to get here. So yeah, concours to me is hard work. It's hard work, but the end product is great to see, and certainly the car needs a good clean and going over every year to bring it back to where it should be. But it has been a great source of pleasure, and it's therapeutic to me because the workmanship, the people that worked on this car has done such a fantastic job. There were lots of craftsmen that has worked on it, between the woodwork, the paint, the electrical, every part of it. Those guys, when they seen what I was trying to achieve, at first they thought I was just another guy that was going to do a paint job, but when they realised that I wanted to restore it perfect, they rose to the occasion. And every time I go near this car now, I just feel so good to see the workmanship. I cannot find a thing wrong with anything that anyone has done, and that's 20 years later. And the car seems to have improved with time. Over the years, it has settled in. I'm prouder of it today than I was in 2001. Let's say that, because it seemed to have settled down, and it has stood the test of time. And I think that's what I'm delighted. The pain of the restoration, of the cost of the restoration, has long worn off. I'm just so delighted that I took that step to restore this car and bring it back to the condition it's in today.
For the best of the best. 1938 came 3. So thank you to Bill, thank you to Martin, Glynn.